I have a dream.
Alright, this a game. Game what is? 4 go 5?
Game called Erase. That's what they call it. Erase the camera. You ever play partner? You always take footage.
Erase them always the footage.
Erase the footage. That's what the game needs. Erase the footage. Unless you're working for CNN, News 12, there's no reason for you to record shit.
Take your mouth up here, man. Take your mouth.
That's a waste of time. What are you doing, man? Thank you very much. You're going to be very thankful soon. Don't worry about all that, baby.
You want to be very rough?
Come on, man.
Stop it, man.
Play quick.
Get them on.
That's all you going to do. You're soft. I thought you were going to play harder than that.
Lead it in the game.
Pause. Come on, wake up. You got right, man? I'm making you cough that shot. You got nothing for me. I got something for you. Got something for you to take you home. Alright. You're a dreamer. Come on, hero. How much you have? How much you have, Tony? Come on, man.
Quiet on there.
Come on, man. Nervous, look at him. Shaking already. This shot's for you. We call this buds for you. We call this buds for you. You don't have much choices. You have no choices. Come on.
Wait. Don't rush, man.
There ain't no rush. You taking too long. You talk about Parker and then you taking them long time. Let's go. Taking a longer time than Parker.
Parker cousin.
Parker cousin, man.
Parker cousin.
Parker cousin. You're dead?
Parker cousin.
Parker cousin, man. That's Parker's cousin, partner. Parker's cousin. How much you have, G? How much you have, partner? 2?
How much you have? 2. Pass. You just sit down on the Bulla.
What you have, Tony? I have 1.
What is a game?
How much you have, partner?
This is a close one.
How much you have?
Again? Rats, boy.
How much you have?
Hit. Parker school now.
So it's a 4.
4,
How much you have, Bulla?
1.
Papa.
Bigger brother and a little brother. Okay, what they focus, right?
You know the focus. Like a camera. No win, man. No win.
This is them cards, Bulla.
No win, man.
I can't put none of them cards. You know, I can't put them none of them cards. Because a 2 all 5 there, so
yeah.
So I'm going to drop the speaker for you.
Then I must be that for me. Everybody that's a fucking man already. You must be that for me already. Why you know long one said that for me to come here?
I'm being wrong this up. I'm being
blank this up. Not because it's blank man you run off. No matter about no try to get a game. I don't know who the game.
Yeah, 2, 4, 2, 4.
I come watch you play. I come watch you play. The minute second I give man blank, then you can't say real. Just come up and get you. You'll go something like you breathe off of you. Yeah, man, it's a blank jar.
Shut the fucking mouth, boy!
Get out of here with the stupid.
Shut the fucking mouth!
Get out of here with those rules.
Shut the fucking mouth!
You talking to like that, man? What the fuck you talking to
When
like
you beat up in can't talk anyway to you.
No, that don't work.
Yes.
I don't go through that kind of shit.
That's not a good shot.
That's not good shot.
Not a good shot at all. If you don't have to know it's a hard hit. I'm a blank man in here. Are you a double blank? That means I can't for double blank.
I can't take double blank.
No, but you can't for double blank. No talking. No, but you don't have to.
I gotta go through.
No, what I'm saying to you,
Too much reading.
you can't carry double blank. Because you're double blank. So you have to go there.
I don't carry for double blank. I carry for a blank, but not double blank.
How much in there now, Bulla?
5. Same 4.
All right, 5.
Sorry, I got you.
Big Red, they used to act. They used to act.
Big Red and move like a Hollywood superstar.
No man, to only Domino a while ago, I can get a perfect angle over his shoulder, man.
Why you dead?
Some call it Spanish Town, but this is Stone Love Rock. Some call it Spanish Town, but this is Stone Love Rock.
Sixer! You know it. Shut the fucking mouth, boy! Shut your mouth! Shut your mouth! I tell you that now, we need to be booty, boy! I come for you, specially! Yes, that's for you!
But you had a best back then, give me a chance.
Baba, you look at that, I'm blank. I'm disciplined. Give me a
Why you don't S first?
Nigga, you know what's going on?
I take double S, corner. I take double S.
You take me take double S, but you have a compost of a play. Me play the right here. I have to play extra.
Pass me, man. I have to pass. I have to pass. You S
No!
Leave the train now.
When the forest you, we'll play 6 straight.
You don't have no straight.
Why? You play extra, we'll play 6 straight. Yeah, now you know, bro.
When you tell me play that second, you can give me S.
You know what I'm about the game, brother. That's an easy game, brother. That game no matter you play 6 back.
Man under pressure, man.
You man go 6-5.
I didn't say 6.
Are you play 6 straight?
S. I said S.
Man under pressure, man. We on the man.
I said S just now. 4S. I said. I didn't say
Bad boy, you play bad man. You play bad from
No,
here.
no.
You play good.
Are we winning, man? You want good. You want good. You want
Come on, man.
good.
Play the game right, man. Play the game right side of the game. Play the game right side. You have 6 up. Play the game right side of the game. Are you good? No.
No. Them have to win something.
I'm play with you so you game and play party.
Them have to
Me
win.
don't want you to know 6. Because you can't take a black. You send me black? A while ago? No, they want you 6.
What are you talking about?
They want you play 6 straight.
What do you mean why I play 6 straight? I play S blank the first time, the second, the first time.
Quiet!
Play over there.
Quiet!
What play how?
Quiet, man! Quiet!
One play.
Hush up!
You want run back the video? Look how we play 6 straight. Run back the video and look how we play. Run back the video and look how we play 6 straight.
After they want to play back.
Look, boy, run back the video and look how we play 6
After this, we're already back.
And me a tell time play 6 straight. And the more tell me say no say go.
We have a video, man.
Run back the video and see when they play 6 straight.
After the one.
Me give me Forest. And Bulla come and train him and he play 6 straight.
Now we wind him up, man. We wind him up.
Beauty style.
What's that?
Rigging. I'm afraid of them, they like beat up my friends. When he slung across, him on the battlefield. So you know, he gotta get his ass whipped. You know how to play. fast enough, you know.
How much are?
The big man, so much. When I talk to the big man.
Ano mo sabi ko, brother? Kami na tigil na mo kili.
Yeah, that was killing. Much job, great. Much job. One, two. Much job.
I won. You talking about?
Bulla, I eat that.
Where the fuck you don't go the other way for?
Two cars come from the Bulla. I'm reach here. And you the man I tell you why.
Talking about me.
I cut it over.